Here's a quick how-to video on how to use our Dominator Concrete Sealer. Before applying, please pay close attention to the following things. First, temperature. The surface temperature should be between 50 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit and should not drop below the minimum temperature for 24 hours before the start of the application. Additionally, do not apply if rain is forecasted within the next 24 hours. Next, paver age. All new masonry and concrete must cure for 30 to 90 days before applying the sealer. Do not seal right away, as this will cause performance issues. Next, look at previous sealer. If you're concerned that your pavers may have come pre-sealed, perform a porosity test. Add a spoonful of water to one of your pavers and watch and see if water rests on top of the pavers or seeps into them. If it rests on top, do not proceed. Contact support. Now you're ready to start. For this project, you will need Dominator Concrete Sealer, a paint roller, and a garden sprayer. A pressure washer also comes in handy, but is not required. Step 1. Protect any surfaces that you don't want sealed. Step 2. Prep your surface by pressure washing any stains or dirt. Or alternatively, you may manually scrub the surface using a mild degreaser and rinse it thoroughly. Step 3. Gently mix the solution by tilting the bottle up and down a few times, but do not shake it. Step 4. Apply 2 wet-on-wet coats of the sealer with a battery-operated or pump-up garden sprayer. Then backroll for even application. Do not over-apply the product. Dense surfaces may only require 1 coat. Step 5. Allow the sealer to set for at least 2 hours before walking on your pavers and 24 hours before driving on them. Now you're done. Enjoy clean, stain-proof pavers all year round.